Hello, my name is Pratik from Burnhamthorpe Chartered Accountants, and I'm going to speak to you about various rules regarding election audits. How are anonymous contributions handled? An anonymous contribution cannot be accepted. It must be turned over to the clerk to become part of the general funds of the municipality. The only exception to this rule is a donation received at a fundraising function held on behalf of a candidate. Each of these donations must be $10 or less, and the total revenue from this source must be reported to the candidate's financial disclosure form. What are the consequences for contravention of contribution rules? If convicted, a fine of up to $25,000 and/or up to 6 months in prison upon conviction if the offense was committed knowingly. These penalties apply both to candidates and to individuals who are found to have contravened the Municipal Elections Act 1996. For corporations and trade unions, the fine may be up to $50,000. Candidates who are found to have contravened certain provisions of the Act forfeit any office to which they were elected and are ineligible to run until after the next regular election has taken place. Who can incur a campaign expense? Only the candidate and the persons authorized by the candidate can incur campaign expenses. Expenses can only be incurred during the campaign period. What is a campaign expense? Any expense incurred for goods and services in relation to an election is a campaign expense. Campaign expenses include replacement value of any goods or held in inventory by the candidate from a previous election, and any contribution of goods and services to the candidate for use in whole or in part during the campaign period. Where a contribution of goods or services is received, an expense for equivalent value is considered to be incurred and must be reported. Are citizen-initiated questions allowed on the ballot? No. Questions must come from either the council, school boards, local boards, or the minister. What are the election sign requirements? The Municipal Elections Act 1996 does not address where campaign signs may be located. The regulation of signs generally falls within the jurisdiction of the local or upper tier municipality, or when signs are placed near a provincial highway, the Ministry of Transportation. Candidates should check with the municipal clerk to determine any sign bylaw requirements. For more information, please visit our website at electionaudits.ca or call us at 416-626-2727. This is Pratik from Burnhamthorpe Chartered Accountants. Thank you.